Where was India's 500th community radio station recently launched? The answer is option C, Aizawl. Which country did India sign a cultural property agreement with to prevent and curb the illicit trafficking of antiquities? The answer is option A, USA. Which site in Assam was recently added to the UNESCO World Heritage List? The answer is option C, Charidiomoidums. Which new AI powered search tool was recently launched by OpenAI? The answer is option B, Search GPT. What is the Oropouche virus primarily spread by? The answer is option C, midges and mosquitoes. Which country recently launched the Technology Security Initiative, TSI, with India? The answer is option A, UK. Which Indian state recently received the Rajbhasha Gaurav Samman Award for promoting Hindi? The answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Which technology is India advancing with the collaboration of IITs? The answer is option B, 6G. Which Indian minister recently launched the 500th community radio station? The answer is option C, Ashwini Vaishnaw. Which virus recently caused fatalities in Brazil? The answer is option C, Oropouche virus. Which country recently became the first to approve the sale of lab grown meat? The answer is option B, Singapore. Which Indian state recently launched the Mukhyamantri Ladli Behna Yojana to empower women? The answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Which country hosted the 2024 G20 summit? The answer is option B, Brazil. What is the name of the new variant of COVID 19 that emerged in 2024? The answer is option C, Pi. Which Indian city was recently declared the cleanest city in India for the sixth consecutive year? The answer is option A, Indore. Which country recently launched the world's first wooden satellite? The answer is option A, Japan. The wooden satellite, named WOODSAT, aims to test the viability of wood as a material for space structures. Which Indian state recently introduced the One Nation, One Ration Card scheme? The answer is option C, West Bengal. This scheme allows beneficiaries to access their food grains from any ration shop across the country. Which country recently passed a law to ban the sale of petrol and diesel cars by 2030? The answer is option C, UK. Which Indian state recently launched the Mission Basundhara initiative? The answer is option A, Assam. Mission Basundhara aims to streamline land revenue services and resolve land related issues in Assam. Which country recently hosted the COP28 climate summit? The answer is option B, UAE.